Okay, I'm working on this Super F-250 Super Duty, and still working on it. I've been working on it over 2 weeks. Well, the customer that owns it, he come by, and he's like, "Take those fender flares off and see how rotten it is underneath." Well, here's the fender flares that were on here. Sure enough, oh no, this is for the other side. Yeah, this is on the left-hand one here. But anyway, I took it off, and sure enough, that's how rotten it is underneath the fender flare. So I debated. The guy said, "Yeah, patch them up," and I debated getting new fenders, which you guys should do when they're this dang rotten. But so I debated on that, or should I make some patches for it? Well, I decided that I want to get this thing done. I have people after me every day to patch up their rusty vehicle, and I don't. Yeah, the day just isn't long enough. I worked from 8 in the morning till 9, 10 o'clock at night, and I still don't have it done. But anyway, here's the patch I made for it, you know, and it's gonna go right like that. I gotta grind the paint off here and do a little more cutting. But yeah, this is made out of an old car hood or tail. I think this is from a tailgate I had outside that was all kind of bent up from somebody got in an accident with it. And yeah, it's a rotten old fellow, and you know, I did some trimming right here, and then so I can make this bend down here. But yeah, the other, I'll take you over there and let you look at the other fender. Is not as bad as this. See, even right here, I gotta make a patch here too. This thing does need front fenders, but I'm not going to do it because I want to get this truck out of here. Man, I got so much work to do, and I just got to get this stuff out of here. The guy wants me to paint the hood too, and I'm going to tell him, I'm going to say, well, we're going to have to do that. You know, got my see the hood. Look how it's all peeling and stuff, and got a huge dent right here. And guy's got to pull that out. But yeah, here's the fender on this side. Here's my patch I'm working on. I think I'm only going to need it about 3 inches up here, so I'm going to make it here about, I don't know, 3-4 inches up, and I'm going to cut a lot of this rotten stuff out. But yeah, it's rotten right here too. But anyway, that's what's going on. I had the rest of it. It was all ready to paint, and then, like I say, that customer come by, "Oh, take the front fender flares off," and sure enough, the front fenders were rotten. So there you go. I got yeah, the rest of it's just about ready to paint. Needs a little more primer and a little more sanding, but it's pretty much ready to go. And now I got another 2, 3, 4 more days in, 2 or 3 more days of work. What a pain in the neck, but. Oh well, that's life in the big city. So let me see if I can